This is an extremely rare example of a model grand kitchen range made in 1896 by the Spicer Stove Company in Providence, Rhode Island. It's one of the very, very few that exists with all of its various options, which includes the high warming shelf, the water reservoir, which was how water was heated in the day. But this stove was entered in the stove competition of the Chicago World's Fair in 1893, dubbed the Columbian Exposition. And the stove is all inscribed on various places here in the base with two cherubs dancing around the world where it says world's best, and then in the plaque saying model grand, winner of the highest award at the World's Fair, Chicago, 1893. Beautiful reticulated basket weave base, egg and dart molding, claw-footed feet on it. It's really a magnificent piece of artwork. On the oven door plaque here are two cherubs lighting a fire. This oven door plaque hinges up so that one could check inside the oven to see how things were cooking without letting all the heat out by opening the door. Again, more boasting of the award they won at the World's Fair, showing the exhibition building at the Chicago World's Fair. That was the Mechanical Arts building where they displayed all the stoves. This beautiful winged cherub picking grapes in this plaque. And again, on the backsplash, yet another globe stating the World's Fair. We have here from an old reproduction from an old trade card of the original advertisement, showing it with just the standard low back shelf. This one has the optional high back shelf, showing it with the standard right side shelf, this one having the rare water reservoir. But what's also very unique and coincidental about this stove is that it has a dealer name plaque on it. The company, this foundry, made plaques for all of their dealerships, just like automobile dealers put their name on the trunk of your car. And the dealership that sold this stove from new was the Steer and Erikson, so coincidentally the same spelling as my last name, but no relation. It's a very, very magnificent piece. Thank you.